Jason Cheesman wears several hats. He's known as our Utility 2, and a Utility 2 is someone that is in charge of making sure the campus is secure, is in charge of making sure that the campus is well kept, that our bathrooms are stocked, that the floors are clean, that the garbage is put out, that when our kids come to school, it's pristine.
It's not too often in life that you stumble across people who have a very strong work ethic, but also are very kind and compassionate human beings. And honestly, it is rare to find support staff like Jason on a school campus where they feel their priority really is to serve students, families, and their staff. He values the importance of serving our students and their families.
It makes people better around you when they feel comfortable and wanting to do stuff, and that's why students will go out of their way to help Mr. Cheeseman, because they just have a lot of respect for him, and which is not normal in today's society, that students are always going to have the respect for adults that are in their world. He's just an amazing person as far as everything that he does. That's why they're willing to help him. That's why we are too as teachers.
He knows that there's all these kids that are depending on him. They want to come to school because they do have a nice facility. He's at the gate every morning saying, hey, giving them high fives, knuckles, greeting them. The minute they walk in the gate, they feel safe. He knows that every single person on the campus is super important, that every student, every parent, every community member, the staff members, that they deserve to feel good when they walk onto this campus, and that's just what he does. And it's so natural for him. And I think it's just his lifelong aspiration to do that, whether he's on our campus, whether he's at home, whether he's out and about. He's just a real community person.
One of the things that I've learned from Mr. Cheeseman is to never give up, that you just keep putting forth 100% effort, 105% effort, whatever it takes to get something done. He's just one of those people that will make it happen. An example of that is when he's showing me how many steps he has per day, and it's upwards of almost 25,000 steps. You know that he's moving around and doing stuff. So I think for me, that motivates me to kind of be the type of person that's going to do extra and just be the best that I can be.
I think his biggest motivation is honestly just to be a good person. He always wants to do the right thing. And for him, his motivation is really the kids. Make sure that he accomplishes all of his goals and tasks on those days. And that's really what pushes him to keep on going.
What makes him fun is he's always making jokes, always helping out around. Just being around him is a good mood all the time.
I'll see him every once in a while when I'm walking around campus. He's nice. He buys stickers and passes them out to the students.
He is the nicest person I know in school a lot. He has a very strong heart of kindness.
Tracy Unified School District prides itself on going above and beyond. We want everyone to aspire to be the best they can be. Jason brings that. We want the kids to see that. We want him to be a role model. They see him going above and beyond. They see him always making sure things are where they should be and how they should be. Now they're learning. They want to be Mr. Cheeseman. And before we know it, we have this community of kids that is just so responsible, and they take such pride in what they do. So we want him to go above and beyond because he's teaching our future leaders. And we want them to go above and beyond with whatever they do in life.
What inspires me to do my job is just the kids. I like to make everything easy on everybody, whether it's helping food service or helping the paras, helping supervision. I was raised many hands make a light load. I figure if I help out with everybody, everybody's day is a little bit better. One of the reasons I take pride is a lot of people, it's just a 9-to-5 job, or it's just 8 hours, and they don't interact with the kids. And North is a family. We care, and that's just who I am. I care about everything. It's important to have a professional, friendly face to the public. We might have incidents with something going on around us, and I try and greet everything with a smile and give everyone courtesy and respect that they deserve, and they, in return, give that to me.